my dear souls. Today we are making a happiness spell jar. Here's the jar, and we will be starting by smudging or cleaning the space with sage or with Palo Santo or burnt cinnamon. The most important thing before you start doing anything is to meditate, to clear your mind and try to open your heart chakra to welcome in self-love and compassion. First thing that you're going to need is a yellow candle, and the first step is to light the yellow candle and start with your meditation. Our candle is light on and we are ready to set the mood. Now we are going to take a pen and the paper. This is the most crucial part of this ritual because on this paper you have to write a lot of things. So hear me out now. Reflect on a recent happy moment. What about it make you happy? How can you invite more moments like this into your life? Just write everything on that paper. What are 3 things that I'm grateful right now? Write on the paper. How do these blessings contribute to my overall sense of contentment? Write on the paper. What does an ideal day filled with joy and laughter look to me? How can I add more of this into my daily routine? Just write. To make this amazing happiness spell jar, you are going to need a jar of your choice, some salt for calmness and protection. I will suggest a 1 leaf of Calendula. It represents happiness, and 1 leaf, it's just enough. Then you are going to need some oranges or orange peel. Orange peel are actually for joy, high vibrations. Then we're going to need some flower seeds. Flower seeds represents vitality and optimism. Additionally, you don't have to, but it's recommendable, add some citrine in your jar. Citrine is the powerful crystal for optimism. You will also need 1 paper and a pen to write. The intention of, and 1 yellow candle, of course. For sealing your jar, we need yellow candle wax. So intention of this happiness spell jar is to draw happiness or money into our life. You can choose a specific amount, or you can choose simply to grow your bank account. You can choose anything you wish. We will write as we meditate. So let's begin. As we said before, we are starting with lighting up our yellow candle and starting to visualize and meditate. First, we are going to add some orange peel in your jar. After you wrote everything you wanted to on a piece of paper, we're going to roll it 3 times towards yourself and put it into your jar. Okay. So now we are going to add some sunflower seeds for vitality and optimism and abundance. Actually, 1 leaf of calendula for happiness. Oh, there are 2 leaves, okay, and 1 citrine that is full, and just add it to the jar. And this is it. We can close the jar and seal our jar with yellow wax. You can see in my other videos what every color of the candle represents. So yellow is the candle for abundance and happiness. And we are all set. Our jar is ready. It's perfect for people who are looking for happiness through the witchcraft. It's also for beginner witches, for people that using crystals for abundance, spiritual self-care rituals, herbs and magic of positive energy. Anyway, thank you for watching. I hope you like this jar. We will make another one tomorrow. So subscribe for weekly spells, rituals and crystal magic. And I hope you have an amazing day. Thank you for watching.